Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will discuss on how to upgrade your Windows 7 directly to Windows 11. Surely you are who's currently using Windows 7, want to experience more modern Windows, and you are confused on how to upgrade it. You are coming to the right video, because I will show you on how to do it in this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. Okay, let's start the tutorial. What you need to be prepared is the ISO of Windows 11 and WINCDEMUALTOR. Also, we need to make sure the specs are sufficient to upgrade to Windows 11. These are the minimum specification requirements that you need to prepare. You need at least 1 GHz of processor and also 4 GB of RAM. The next step is install WINCDEMUALTOR by clicking and run the program. Installing WINCDEMUALTOR is easy, or you can pretty much just follow step-by-step installation in this video. The next step is mount ISO Windows 11 by right-click and click mount. Run the setup program to start upgrading to Windows 11. Click Change How Setup Download Updates and choose Not Right Now. This will speed up the installation process. Enter your Windows 11 product key. If you don't have it, you can get it official from Microsoft. At this stage, you can choose to keep all your data or to remove all your data. Right now, the installation process is starting. We wait until the process is complete, and if you're using a laptop, make sure to keep your laptop on charge to avoid any battery drop and can cause the installations to be fail. And that is how to upgrade your Windows 7 directly to Windows 11. If there's any problem or questions during this upgrade process, please ask me and inform me in the comment box below. I hope this video useful and I'll see you in the next video.